look at this bridge. We passed the Maryland one, so here's West Virginia coming back. Maryland it is. And there's this other one, Carl. We have another sign here about Maryland's wildlife. Maryland wildlife. Watch for it. Going to the rest area, Maryland Welcome Center. Let's take a look. Alright, we made it. Maryland welcomes you with the Cybertruck there. Have a nice lookout view over here. With the sign. You can see down there the river. Oh, so they have, the truckers have to walk up all those stairs to go to the restroom because they don't actually have restrooms down there. So they make them walk up here. It's Blue Star Memorial. Same as the other ones, but it says Maryland Department of Transportation. The thing's gone. This thing has special instructions. The button is behind. It takes forever to refill and close. Here's this. The river looks kind of small though. There's rocks sticking up. So this says open daily except New Year's Day, Easter, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. It's none of those holidays, but it's closed. So, oh, hours may vary without notice. Closed today. Huh. It will reopen tomorrow. So there you can see kind of what's inside. Those little pamphlets. Explore Chesapeake. Here, no smoking, no pets in restrooms. There's a stink bug. I think that's a stink bug landed here. I'm gonna have to close my window before it jumps into the car. Hold up. There we go. That's a stink bug, right? I don't know. I think so. Don't stink up my vehicle, please. How do I get it out? I have to... Uh-oh. What do I do? Poke it? Is it gonna poop on me? Okay, I guess we're just gonna have to risk going in and then leaving. Alright, I think it's okay. It's still there. Alright, let's continue on to the charger. 37 miles. We'll see what happens to that stink bug. The stink bug's walking away. Get ready to jump, stink bug. Get ready to jump.
Stay straight to take the Interstate 68 East ramp.
It's still hanging on.
Stay straight to take the Interstate 68 East ramp.
The stink bug is still holding on. How fast do I need to go? It's still hanging in. I'm going 60 and it's still hanging in. Oh, is it gone? It's gone. There's a Maryland State Trooper up ahead. There's how Maryland does their exit signs with a rectangle and then a line, little box. Little lighthouse. More Maryland wildlife. Here's a church and they have a cemetery over there. See how the electrical things go up the hill. to Cumberland.
In 500 feet, turn left on.
Welcome to Cumberland. Historic downtown. Looks like we're at another Sheetz here. Sheetz. That's where the thing is attached. This one is on this weird hill, kind of tilted over. But it is what it is. The door opens itself. Open, plug it in. Uh-oh, what is this? It's broken. Yeah, I snapped it back into place. There we go. We're at 50%. We don't really need to charge much, but let's see. Right here you can see how tilted we are. The bottle can't even stand on there. You can see the tilt of the liquid there. So look how tilted it is. Alright, oh. It's like it's sticking. Nope. There's Grace Baptist Church. I was wondering why so many people use the air pumps here. So this one is free. At the other Sheetz we were at, they're like pumping non-stop. People kept going like in a line. There's the truck for Sheetz and Giggles. Looks like they have a mini Coca-Cola company here, factory. Alright, let's continue to Love's, get the magnet for Pennsylvania and for Maryland, and then we'll go to Pennsylvania State Capitol. We'll probably get there like around 7:30 or 8. We'll see. I don't know if we'll be able to see anything or if we'll have to wait till morning. We'll find out. They're giving away free phones. EBT Master. I got this. Right turn, right, except right. It said stop except right turn, which is weird. Look at that bridge. River. Little castle over there. Maryland has a lot of these like big hilly tree road areas. We're almost at Lowe's. Big green tent area.
Now take exit 46 on the right.
Alright, we got it. 6:35. It's upside down, but there you go. Alright, let's continue. Going to go grab Pennsylvania's.